Good morning, everybody. We're here to rinse out another t-shirt for you. Like how I gently approach this shell.
Yeah. Gentle approach is key.
Gentle approach is key, yeah.
This one looks like it turned out pretty good.
Oh yeah, good range of color.
Then again, looks can be deceiving, so we'll see how it turns out after it's back.
It's a good choice there with that Cayman oil, by the way. Really sets it off with this. Really makes that ocean look ocean-like.
Oh yeah.
To the inside.
Let's go. Okay.
That inside with the warm water. Go ahead and start to get it unbent.
So the top half is supposed to be sunset.
Bottom half ocean, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. So far, so good.
Looking nice. Got a lot of color in that part. That one's a little more tightly woven than the rest, you know, people. You don't want to bleed it all through, so.
Alright.
Continue our blending process.
Ooh. Looking good.
Look at that.
You know, I love it when it leaves a little bit of white in there.
Oh yeah. That's our favorite. Look at that.
Woohoo! I know it. I'm telling you, I think this one turned out to be quite the winner. We're working on getting the store back up, everybody.
Yeah, sorry it's taking a while. We got a lot going on.
We have a lot of organizing to do, basically.
We even got a backlog of film and stuff. We're trying to get it all together.
It's a lot.
It's a lot to suddenly move, you know.
We got a kid starting preschool, so it's taking up quite a bit of time and money. But soon, oh wow, look at that bag.
Oh yeah.
Soon we will have the store up and running. We still have a lot of shirts to get rid of, and if you live near us, hopefully soon we will have our shirts at some of these little outdoor, farm swap and all that good stuff that's around it. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, looks great. Very even.
Look at that. Nice color at the bottom. Oh yeah. That is nice.
I think it looks beautiful. This is what I wanted.
Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. On a V-neck tee too. Oh,
Sunset on the top and
ocean on the bottom.
yeah, that is what I wanted. Woo.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Cool. Look at that. Beautiful pattern. Perfect pleated yoke. Right down the V, because this is a V-neck tee for a lady. As you can see, it is just pleated perfectly down the front. Nice ocean at the bottom, as we like to say. Look at that. Good colors there. Beautiful sunset on the top. Man, that came out as perfect as you could hope. Look at that. We're going to do some more of these Caribbean sunset style tees, because people really seem to like these, and this one's already spoken for, I believe, so we're going to do some more. But yeah. Anyways, let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.